Hello there, and welcome to Crystal Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Well, here we have a bike that requires little or no introduction at all. It's the 1976 Suzuki GT750A, otherwise known as the Kettle. But before we get into any details, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. It is free and I don't charge for it, and there's not many things in life that are free. So yeah, crack on with these subscriptions. So anyway, like I said, this is a 1976 Suzuki GT750. It's a UK bike, and as you can see off the cuff, it's really nice and clean, showing 19,600 miles. But we'll just do a slow walk round, then a start up. I've got, I think it was late 90s, had a fairly comprehensive restoration, powder coated frame, etc, etc. And there's quite a good handful of receipts for work carried out. It is supplied with a Haynes manual as well. But yeah, real nice clean, just a nice clean bike, nice clean kettle, which is just ace. We love them. Yeah, 19,801. I didn't have my glasses on, I do apologise. It's got 2 keys. And yeah, like I said, it's got quite a bit of a history with it with regards to service, repair, invoices, type of thing. But we hadn't had a kettle for getting on for a year, I reckon, the last one we had. As you can see, just real nice, clean GT750, obviously GT750 genuine exhausts, or they're stamped up as GT750 pipes. So what I'm going to do, I'll start the bike up. Let's get some two-stroke in his lungs, and I'll put a bit of choke on. I've got a bit of choke. There we go. And yeah, let's see if she starts. I really do wish you guys could smell what I can smell. Oh, we need to be able to bottle that, don't we? That two-stroke smell, we love it. Absolutely gag for it. So yeah, that's running sweet as a nut. You know, starts on the button first time. Beautiful. So that's 1976 GT750, otherwise known as the Kettle, in stock today. If you've got any questions whatsoever, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, crystalmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. Always give me a call before you set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available for you. And that goes in line with any of the other bikes as well. I've currently got well over 100 classic bikes in stock, so check out the website crystalmotorcycles.co.uk if anything else might take your fancy. But yeah, I'm just going to enjoy that smoke, and I'm going to leave that one with you. But don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It is free, I don't charge for it, so grab it while you can. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Kettle's always on. Cheers!